Are you feeling like the respect in your relationship has dwindled or perhaps vanished altogether? Don't lose heart. It's time to take charge and reclaim the respect you rightfully deserve. In this video, we'll delve into the essence of what makes a man truly respected in a relationship. From understanding the power of communication to embracing emotional balance and finding your true purpose, you'll gain the tools to ignite a positive change in your connection. Number 1. Cultivate self-respect to earn her immediate respect. To gain immediate respect from others, especially women, you must begin by respecting yourself. Many men overlook this essential truth, allowing their self-respect to diminish, making them fade into the background. To change this, focus on looking in the mirror and genuinely loving the person you see. Start by being honest with yourself and the women in your life. Take responsibility for your actions, strive for personal growth, and find purpose in your endeavors. When you genuinely embrace who you are, a strong sense of pride and respect will emanate from within, creating a powerful aura that captures attention wherever you go. Number 2. Earn her respect by being authentic. A common mistake among guys trying to impress a woman is being fake, pretending to like things they don't. Showering her with exaggerated compliments and putting her on a pedestal only leads to self-disrespect and won't earn genuine respect from her. Women can see through such behavior and discern whether you're truly interested in them or just trying to achieve personal gains. To gain a woman's respect, it is crucial to be authentic in both your words and actions. Be reliable and follow through on your promises. Express your true preferences even if they differ from hers. Show genuine appreciation by giving heartfelt compliments, but also don't shy away from expressing your own thoughts and opinions. Being open and truthful in every aspect of your relationship may cause initial discomfort, but in the long run, she will come to respect your honesty and authenticity. Remember, being real is the key to earning genuine respect. Number 3. Increase your value. If you want women to admire and respect you, focus on increasing your value by understanding what they truly want and how they think. Become a leader who confidently navigates life's challenges and show that you can take charge and make things happen. Building self-assurance is essential, as women are drawn to confident men. Additionally, being a protector, demonstrating strength to defend her, will earn you immense respect. Remember, continuous self-improvement and striving for personal growth are key to making your life worthwhile and gaining significant respect from women. Focus on bettering yourself and progressing on your journey to become a man of value. Number 4. Don't let her take advantage of you. Knowing how to stand up for yourself is crucial in today's world, as it prevents others from taking advantage of you. Many men with low self-esteem struggle with being too nice and avoiding confrontation, but learning to assert your opinions and actions brings independence and adds an irresistible charm to your personality. When you defend yourself and hold your ground, you gain confidence that radiates outward. People respect you more because they see someone who knows their worth and isn't afraid to speak up. This boost in self-worth contributes to deep respect for yourself, helping you level up in life. In situations where standing up for yourself is necessary, remember to remain assertive yet respectful. Practice effective communication and be firm in expressing your boundaries and needs. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and empowerment, and you'll find that not only will others respect you more, but you'll also grow into a more confident and authentic version of yourself. Number 5. Be independent. When it comes to winning the respect of women, one crucial aspect is avoiding any sign of neediness. Acting needy is akin to raising a glaring red flag that sends them running in the opposite direction. It's not that women don't desire love, but they seek more than just fulfilling their sexual desires. To gain respect from women, it's vital not to convey fear of losing them, as this can give them the upper hand and diminish your standing in their eyes. Instead, it's essential to establish and maintain boundaries for yourself. Demonstrating restraint and maintaining a composed demeanor will ensure she doesn't perceive any weakness within you. Instead, she will recognize that your intentions are genuine and that you are there for the right reasons. Embracing independence is a powerful way to showcase your high value as a man. When you cultivate a sense of self-sufficiency and a life that is fulfilling on its own, it becomes evident that you are not seeking validation or completion from her. Women find this incredibly attractive as it shows you are confident and self-assured. By focusing on your passions, hobbies, and personal growth, you convey that you have a life beyond the relationship. This independence fosters a dynamic where you are equals, each bringing unique strengths and value to the partnership. It also creates a healthy balance where neither party feels suffocated or excessively reliant on the other. Number 6. Embracing purpose. Unlocking the power of purpose is a game changer when it comes to earning women's respect and admiration. A man without a clear purpose may feel adrift, like a performer without an audience, leaving him unfulfilled and empty. On the contrary, women not only appreciate confident, caring, and genuine men, but also deeply respect those who pursue a meaningful purpose in life. When you passionately chase your purpose, a remarkable transformation occurs. You become a man of authority, radiating an irresistible aura of determination and ambition. This newfound magnetism not only enhances your self-image, but also brings out the best in you. Women find themselves drawn to such drive and ambition, captivated by your pursuit of something greater. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and show some love by smashing that like button. Stay purposeful. Number 7. Emotional balance. Achieving respect from others, especially from your partner, begins with mastering emotional control. Reacting impulsively, whether in public outbursts or unleashing anger at home, will only lead to embarrassment and fear in your loved ones. Displaying emotional immaturity and weakness diminishes the respect you seek to earn. The key lies in learning to manage your emotions effectively. When faced with a distressing situation, taking a deep breath and responding constructively showcases maturity, strength, and composure. This emotional stability not only earns admiration from your partner, but also garners respect from everyone around you. A man who can navigate through life's challenges with equanimity commands genuine respect. Shedding the shackles of emotional turbulence allows you to approach situations thoughtfully and respond with wisdom. Instead of bursting into tears over trivial matters, you'll embody resilience and inner strength, qualities that inspire admiration and trust. Mastering emotional balance is an ongoing journey. It involves self-awareness, understanding your triggers, and adopting healthy coping mechanisms. Embrace mindfulness techniques, seek support when needed, and remember that seeking help doesn't undermine your strength. It demonstrates your commitment to self-improvement. Number 8. Show humility. Embracing humility in a relationship is a powerful tool that goes hand in hand with confidence. It entails acknowledging that your perspective isn't the only valid one and being willing to admit when you've made a mistake, offering a graceful apology. Treating your partner with the utmost respect and recognizing her worth is fundamental to cultivating a healthy and respectful connection. Consistently embodying humility effortlessly earns your girlfriend's respect. By demonstrating the ability to admit when you're wrong, listening to and understanding different viewpoints, and showing genuine care for the relationship's well-being, you exhibit strength and maturity. This approach fosters trust and openness, allowing the bond between you and your girlfriend to grow stronger. Humility is not about always being right, but rather about being open, understanding, and willing to evolve together. It shows a willingness to learn and grow, both as an individual and as a couple. This kind of humility cultivates an environment of mutual respect, where both partners feel valued and appreciated for their contributions. Remember, true respect is earned through humility and the genuine desire to grow and nurture your relationship together. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.